So first will be the Secret Pearl. This is what we call the Botox in a jar. We call it the Botox in a jar because of one specific ingredient that we have on it. We have acetyl hexapeptide. This is a well-known or a commonly known Botox in a jar ingredient. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. Okay, it's really potent for anti-aging. It can also eliminate or lighten the dark spots on your skin. It can gives you more brightening effect. And it also improves the skin texture of your skin and gives you more glowing and a brightening effect. So it actually has 1,200 milligrams of glutathione on our Secret Pearl. So it's just like you're having a Cinderella drip. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. So all you have to do is to apply 2 to 3 pumps or more onto your skin, but you really need to have moisturizer before. You really need to apply moisturizer before you apply Secret Pearl because Secret Pearl doesn't have any moisturizer on it. So sometimes if your skin is more on a dry side, it actually has a white cast because it doesn't have any moisturizer on it. That's why we advise them before applying Secret Pearl, your skin really need to have a hydration product like a moisturizer that can actually improve the application of your Secret Pearl. Okay. So these are the ingredients of Secret Pearl. It has niacinamide that can actually reduce the fine lines and wrinkles and also helps us diminish the dark spots. 1,200 milligrams of glutathione is also on it, and vitamin C. It also has frankincense, okay? Frankincense is actually a great ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. It is also responsible for inflammation and skin elasticity of our skin. It really improves with this ingredients that we have. We also have adenosine. It's actually boost the collagen of our skin. Okay. If you're